Hey there, it's Patti Sampson, founder of EngageMore CRM. Thank you for taking a minute to come in and learn more about EngageMore CRM Training. I thought I'd take a moment just to kind of go through what it is that you get when you come in here. And I think the most important thing about owning or having a CRM is not just the drip campaigns that you're going to get, and of course you're going to get tons of those, but without training and understanding how to use the system in an organized way, you're not going to do as well as you probably could. And I know this because I've been training agents and CRMs for years. So I wanted to bring you in here really quick and just show you how we set up the training module for you. When you get in, you'll be clicking, this is the training page, but you would click on this training module button here. It's going to take you to this screen. In this screen, we've got a number of Jumpstart links here. When you click on any of these, they'll take you into our training room. What I want you to do is start with the Lead Revival Jumpstart course. This is a bonus that you get here. And what we're going to do is take a bunch of your old stale leads and get you started to re-engage those if you have them. If you don't, you might have a sphere, anything like that. What we want to do is get some action out of those right away. And real time then you'll learn how to use the rest of the system. It's simple as that. So when you get in, you can see we're going to take you through all the setup that you need to do. You'll join our free members group where I go live in there twice a week. And then we're going to start setting up your account between getting your passwords and everything set up, configuring your mail merge profile, getting your phone set up so that you can get ready to text and to record voice messages, which our system has. You will also be setting up your email footer and header. We're going to talk to you about getting your notification, your daily notification agenda assistant going. And then, of course, we're going to get into the nitty-gritty of getting up your flags, statuses, types, and sources, and understanding the best use of these. I know from working in other CRMs that this is a big question. We want you to use all of these so that you can run much more advanced searches in the system and to track all of your hot business, which is so key. We also want you to know that you can customize your dashboard as well, and we're going to show you how to do that, and it's going to help you track your hottest business every day you come in. It's going to be great. There'll be one-click buttons in here. There's already a number of them for you, but we're going to show you how to fine-tune that for your business. And then the most important thing about this whole thing is moving in. When you get moved in, you first got to export your database from wherever it's at. We need to get it cleaned up, and then we need to get it imported. So we're going to give you very easy as we can, instructions to have you do that. If you don't know anything about Excel, that's okay. We're going to show you how to do it. It's not hard. Then we're going to take you to import and bring all of your leads in that we want you to start with. And we're only going to have you start with a little small group so that you don't get overwhelmed. And then you're going to learn from the activity because you're going to start getting action right away. And that's because you're going to turn on your re-engagement campaign and start seeing it happen right in front of your eyes. I'm also going to show you, there's a video in here that I took an agent in and did it live with her, and it's recorded. So you're going to get that and watch how we re-engaged a number of leads that within minutes she had new clients ready to go that she didn't even know she had. And that's the key. But once you get in, after you get through your jump start, you're going to have an opportunity now to go down and watch any other training you want. I'm just going to go in here and randomly pull up anything so you can see what else we have. All of these are jump start trainings, so if you see them, the JS already jump start. So let's go in and see about personalizing email to a contact. You won't have the edit article here because this is my account, but you can come in and you'll see that there's video in here, there's steps. Depending on which lesson you're going into, there might be, longer lessons or shorter lessons, but and I might have some typed out instructions, but you're going to get everything you need in here. And the videos are running between 2 and maybe an hour and a half, depending on the video itself, right? So we're going to give you everything you need and get you started so that you're not going to be confused. Now, before we go, I want to show you over here. You also got a little quick, we call this the chat beacon. You can come over here and ask a question at Ask. And you can also go to Answers really quick and just run a quick search for anything you might want to know, and you'll be able to pull it up. Maybe you want to learn about how to bring in your Zillow leads. Let's check on that. So if you run a search, you'll find an answer. And if you don't, you'll just head over to Ask and we'll be here for you. Ask the question, it'll come into our support line. But be sure that you know that we care about what you're doing. This isn't easy stuff. We know that you weren't born being CRM marketers. And so what we want to do is cut you to the chase. We're going to show you the fastest, easiest way to do all that. So thanks so much for joining us. And if you have any other questions, please contact us at sales@EngageMore CRM, and we'll be happy to answer any questions you have. Thanks so much for stopping in.